David and Alice here at Savvy Organics. David has a cough, so I'm doing the talking. So the solar panel, it's been a long 6 months. We started this whole thing in June, I think. You'll see, they still look like the same solar panels. They're not a brick anymore, though. They were sitting there doing nothing, but we recently got our PTO from Encore, so yay, that means we've passed all the inspections. Originally, Encore said that we would have to get a new transformer and that services our house. However, they came out to change it out and they realized that nope, they were wrong. They didn't need to change it. So a few days later, things were signed. It's very red tapey. In order to sell the power back to the company, but we have an app on our phone which shows, if you can see this, it shows the solar is generating 6.5 kilowatts. Our house is using 1.4 kilowatts. It is sending 5.2 kilowatts back to the grid, and our battery is at 99%. It was at 100% a minute ago. But so you might ask, why don't we watch the meter run backwards? Well, the meter doesn't run backwards. Smart meters are different now, and it doesn't look near as cool as the app.
They have a program.
Yeah, they did come out and put a program on the meter. So anyway, long and the short of it is, yay, it's running. It's we're on solar now. At night, the power company that we use, that they buy back the power dollar for dollar. Not all power companies. Is that what it's called? Power company?
Utility company.
Yeah. Not all of them buy back, and not all of them dollar for dollar, but the one we chose does, and they also provide us with free electricity from the grid between 9 o'clock at night and 7 o'clock in the morning. So when the nighttime comes and the solar panels don't work, we can go back on grid, so it doesn't drain the battery all the way down to what we set our limit at. Anyway, just wanted to give you a quick update on the solar panels, and they're working, so yay!